Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today, they sent over this awesome dash cam. And huge thank you RedTiger for sponsoring today's video. They also went ahead and sent over a hardwire kit, which is always great to have if you want this on at all times. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what this is all about. All right, let's check this out. Ooh, we got some instructions, a little quick start guide. These are to install onto your windshield, so then you don't get any sticky residue in case you want to remove the dash cam for whatever reason, but we're most likely not removing this because it's always great to have a dash cam. And wow, look at this. The front camera, and oh, it feels good. Like, it feels heavy duty even though it's not heavy, and the design is so nice. This cam comes with a built-in 256 gigabyte storage. What? Whoa, that's insane. It's built in. Normally we have to put in an external SD card, which you have to go out and buy, but this is internal, and that's so much memory. On this car, for the dash cam that I have, I'm running 128 gigabyte, and this car used to have a dash cam and it was only running 128 gigabytes. This is 256 stock. Wow, that is amazing. Cannot wait to install this onto this car today. That is gonna be so sweet. You know, these can be installed into any car. A little more modern, it's probably better, but this car just is so old school that it definitely needs a dash cam. Now, the rear camera, oh my God, this is like a really nice rear camera. Most of the rear cameras that I've seen for dash cams, they're about just this big. That's it. This is nice. This design, it's not heavy at all, very lightweight, but wow, this just looks high quality. Love this. And both the front and rear cameras are true 4K. And then I'm pretty sure in here we got some goodies like wiring and adhesives. Yep, more adhesives and clips to be able to install this. I see a plastic pry tool in there, and we've got some wires. I'll check this out in a bit, but that might be the wiring for the front camera to connect to the rear. This one has to be the cigarette lighter port, and yep, that is the wiring for that. So cool, it has everything ready to go, easy to install onto this car. This is the new RedTiger F77 V2. Yeah, I cannot wait. This is gonna be so sick. And for the purpose of this video, I just want to get everything going and just install it using the cigarette lighter. But moving forward on this car, I am going to hardwire it so it could be on at all times. So if there's any incident that happens while the car is parked and I'm not there, I will get a notification about it or be able to see it. And there is also a phone app for this, so you can check out all the footage and everything, and we're gonna go ahead and check that out in a bit as well. Let me go ahead and just try to install this. Everything's pretty straightforward. It comes with a plastic pry tool. Pretty much already have it installed. I mean, I just gotta hook everything up, but I figured out the spots, and the beauty of it is that the top part slides off, so you can actually do the adhesive first. So I have it right there. All I have to do is just slide this in. Check this out. Clips, simple as that, and then I can put this down. You guys might be thinking, wait, you're not gonna be able to see the screen, but actually I can just do this and then I can just go underneath and see it. So it's not a big deal. The main thing about this isn't being able to see what's being recorded, it's knowing that you are recording and you have total protection. Just in case anything happens, you have footage of it. So the reason why I wanted to show you guys that is because it's a little tough to get up there, so I wanted to pull this out, which all I do is slide, and then I'm gonna hook up the cords. So we got power and rear, and then down here we have buttons like mode, arrows, and OK to select whatever it is that you want to select. Very simple design, and this is to record. Can't wait to set this up. Also, rear camera is installed and looking perfect, very aligned, right down the middle. And just like that, within minutes, we got both wires going through. And if you wanted to see how a dash cam install looks like without tucking the wires, this is what it looks like. Just wires hanging, going all the way to the back right there. And yes, honestly, if you really didn't care, you can just run it like this. I personally would not, but you guys can definitely do this or do what I do and tuck it. So what we're gonna be doing is tucking this. They both go in different directions, which can be a little bit of a hassle because now you're not tucking in one set of wires, you're tucking in two, because one is getting tucked on the other side around and down into here, right into the cigarette lighter. The other one's coming around and going up through here and into the back. But man, it's gonna look so good. Can't wait to test it out. Check out the footage, mess around with all the features, and show you guys what this dash cam has to offer. Oh my god, look at how sick that looks. It looks so good, it's sleek. Like, yes, you can tell that there's a dash cam, but you really have to look for it. It just goes with everything else, and wow, thank you, RedTiger. I have officially hardwired everything. It's not all loose, so you can see it is looking great. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on and see how dope it is. See how it looks since we are turning it on for the first time. Nice. Okay, so it's asking us to select our language. Obviously, we're going with English. Oh, whoops. I personally thought it was best to show you guys while it's off the car, but check this out. Language, we'll just pick time. Whoa, that is crazy. Yo, oh snap, that's cool. Oh, okay. So I can hit the OK if I want to take a photo. Wild. Oh, it's touchscreen. That is insane. Okay, I should have looked in the manual, but honestly, I'm very surprised myself. I was like, oh, okay, this has a really nice big screen, but it's not touchscreen. And here it is, touchscreen. That is insane. I guess this just makes it a little more convenient, like if you do want physical buttons to press, but you don't need physical buttons because I can go back with this. I can hit OK right there. That is wild. Wow, that is so freaking cool. Dude, quality is insane. Okay, so it's already recording, which is really cool. Normally with dash cams, you cannot record until you put in an SD card. So it really does have the 256 gigabytes internally, which I am beyond impressed by. That is so amazing. Let's go ahead and mess around with this a little more. So we have our settings right here. Let's play back. I'm assuming you can, oh, okay, so you can look at video footage on here. Let's see, let's go look at front cam video. Oh, see, so we do have footage. Oh, there's audio. This is just in the cabin, but we'll definitely get shots outside. This is actually really cool. Okay, so let's go back. Now I'm wondering, there's only three options. So videotape, which is what we're on now. We are recording. Sorry, I had it on my lap. And we can lock, which is cool, so we can't touch anything, right? I like that. Can't go wrong with the lock feature. No audio, but I do want audio because it was tight. And we can take a photo. I like that. So see, it's simple. There's not, I mean, I know there's a lot of settings here, like you can do all this stuff. G sensor, which is like how much movement you want before it sends you a notification. Got Wi-Fi, record sound, fatigue reminder, mirror flip, always a plus. I love that. So it flips the rear camera because sometimes the rear camera records and the license plate is backwards, which you can fix in post edit. But if you don't want to deal with that, all you do is mirror flip. Got a screensaver, and I think that's it for settings. That's what I like with these kinds of dash cams. Like RedTiger got it right. You just want it simple. What is the purpose of a dash cam? To record while you're on the dash. You don't need all these fancy gimmicks and whatever. Let's see. Does this stop recording? What happens if I hold it? Oh, it just turns it off. Okay, that's the power button. But I'm sure you can record with it, but it automatically records. But yeah, that's the whole point of dash cams, right? You're literally here just to film incidents that you normally wouldn't be able to film. So just having cameras on your car is nice. And that's the main purpose. You don't need any extra fancy features, and I think this is more than enough. This is really awesome. We're gonna hook this back up, and we're gonna do the rear camera as well, and we're gonna get some footage for you guys to showcase the double 4K front and rear, how great it is during the day and at night. Wow, this is freaking awesome. I'm blown away, and I love this design. And here we have the first drive with the dash cam on. Everything looks so good. We're under direct sunlight. It's looking a little bit harsh, but nonetheless, I can still see everything, and I think it looks great. We are headed over to one of my favorite stores. It is Mitsawa. We're gonna go grab some Japanese goodies, maybe some sushi and stuff. Looks good in the shade as well. Just showing you guys some traffic here just so you can see how good the quality is. I also have the rear camera up in the corner there. I'm going to be switching to show you guys full screen how the rear camera looks. I will say it does look a little bit weird because I have chrome mirror tint on my rear windshield, so it reflects a lot, honestly, and that's why you can see like my speakers in the reflection and everything else. So it's not the camera's fault. It's definitely my rear tint. I honestly think it looks so good. It would be able to catch any type of incident. Like if this car on the right decided to just drive right into me, I'll be able to catch it fully. You can see this license plate clear as day, and crossing the intersection and getting closer to the store. Here you can see me in the right lane, and we're about to turn right into the parking lot. Show you guys some parking lot footage so you can get an idea of how everything looks, because a bunch of accidents caught on dash cams usually do happen in parking lots. So we are going to go and park. You can see everything pretty clear. And you guys know, since I am a car guy, I do have to reverse into the parking spot. It is a must. And here we are, good to go. Now that we're done with shopping, we're gonna go through the plaza and go to one of our favorite boba spots. It is called TNT. You can see it right here on the left. And I'm gonna go and find a parking spot. We're gonna try to park right in front if we can. And ooh, I do see a parking spot here. Sorry for the glare. Also, this is a 30-year-old windshield, so it makes all the glares and lights look a little strange. So, like I said, once again, not the dash cam's fault. It is my car, but quality is still great. And we're gonna squeeze into this tight spot here. And we have this car leaving. Here we get out of the car, and I'm just testing out the quality. You can see me and my lovely fiance in frame. Looks pretty good. Hey, time to go get some boba. And oh, sorry, blocked a parking spot for this car. And the beauty of it is, now that we're parked, you can see in the rear camera, we are going to go get boba. In parking mode, I can see that this car is parking, and prayers they don't hit our car. Oh, getting a little close there, but it's okay. They're readjusting. I think they know. This is why you need a dash cam, because you just never know. I trust my driving. I don't know about everyone else's driving, to be honest, but looks good. Definitely not gonna hit us. Getting a little bit close, but it's okay. As long as they don't hit us, I don't care, right? And I have proof. I have this footage. Here's some footage of people admiring the car a little bit. And we are back from getting boba. Quality is looking great. And now we're backing out. Ooh, made sure not to hit the Tesla, of course. And now we are in less harsh sunlight, which is nice. This is probably the perfect weather to film anything. Doesn't matter what camera you have. This is my favorite. It just captures everything so beautifully. And we're heading over to my local card shop. It's a very, very chill day, getting footage. You can read license plates clear as day. We have this nice Corolla next to me. And then we have this car coming up in the back. Quality is amazing. I'm telling you, this is the perfect weather, no harsh sunlight. This is where the footage really shines, in my opinion. Now we're going underneath the tunnel. Looks really great. And we are going to lean over to the right and grab this parking spot in front of the store. Beautiful quality. And now it is going to transition into nighttime. Quality still looks good. I'm telling you guys, it's not the camera, it's my windshield making this weird glare effect when it comes to like all the lighting. And now we're heading home, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at night footage. I guarantee if this were in a different car with a newer windshield and whatnot, it would definitely help. It's honestly already really hard to see license plates at night anyways, but the main thing we're trying to capture is if anything were to happen to us, right? Oh, we got this little bump with the train tracks. It's just good to have recordings just in case anything happens. You just never know. So you should be equipped with a dash cam. To me, I think it looks great. I would rather be protected than not protected. And here we have the app. Very simple, easy to use. You can check this live recording of me. We're gonna go to the camera files, check out the built-in storage, and look at that. You can see every single clip that we have recorded with the dash cam. Guys, check this out. Now we're gonna check the camera settings. I'm gonna change the loop from 1 minute to 5 minutes, and it's pretty simple, straightforward. Thank you once again, RedTiger, for this dash cam. It is so sweet. And there you guys have it. That is the RedTiger F77 V2 dash cam. Huge thank you once again to RedTiger for sending this dash cam for my car. If you guys are interested, link is in the description below. Please cop if you guys do not have a dash cam. This is an absolute necessity. If you guys don't have a dash cam, this one also comes equipped with GPS as well as internal storage. You can pick between 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes. I went ahead and got the 256 gigabyte, and it is a game changer because I can have so much storage without needing to purchase an SD card of my own. And as you guys saw, we were able to use Wi-Fi via the app, and it is amazing that you can just go and check your footage real quick. This dash cam just does it all. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.